Hi guys, welcome to Cloud World channel. So today our agenda is Jenkins. So first of all, we know what is Jenkins. Jenkins. Mainly it is used to CI/CD pipeline like a CI/CD tool. In real-time scenario, we will use maximum CI/CD through the Jenkins pipelines. Most of the companies will be preferred. Here, what is mean by CI? So we need to know CI. CI means continuous integration. What is mean by continuous integration? Continuous build plus test is equal to continuous integration. Continuous build plus continuous test. It is continuous integration. And after that, we will deploy. So that is continuous deployment. That will be do this tool. The name of the tool is Jenkins. And here Jenkins is a free open source platform independent, and Jenkins consists of lots of plugins. We can easily use the plugins like, for example, we have Maven or Git or any AWS or Azure. So we have plugins in Jenkins dashboard. We will use our recording like, depending on the client requirements like, BAU activities, business requirement. We will use that. Mainly Jenkins required Java 11. Java 11 Jenkins requirement. And initial Jenkins was created by Sun Microsystems in 2004. In 2004, initial Jenkins created by Sun Microsystem. Later, it taken by the Oracle. Initial name was in a Sun Microsystem. The initial name is Hudson. Hudson. It is a paid version. After that, Oracle taken the charge. Then now it be open source. Anyone can use the Jenkins. So here we need to know like, what is the pipeline CI/CD. So here in real time scenario, we have this. I'm changing the color. Yeah. So here build, continuous build and continuous test. After that, we will deploy into cloud such as AWS, Azure, or GCP. Depending on the client requirement, we will use that. The most of the scenarios done, like in CI, we will build, we will test. After that, we produce one file like artifact or var file. In Azure, we call .zip file that will be used in deployment process. And here in this video, we will see like in AWS EC2 instance on Linux or Linux or Unix, we will install Jenkins. Through the Jenkins, we will build CI/CD pipelines. So in this video, I will explain each and everything. In the real-time scenarios, I will teach them. So first of all, I need to connect my AWS console. So I'm opening my account here. So after that, I'm connecting to my AWS account. Here, sign into my console. I already logged in, so that will comes here. So after that, I will go to EC2 instance. Then here I need to take launch instance. So I'm launching the instance. I'm taking the name as Jenkins. So after that, I'm taking Amazon Linux here. So after that, I'm taking better. You can go with N-1 version. So in free tier, I'm like N- version. We have some bugs. Maybe the application will bug sometimes. The developer will pushes the updates into N version. So I'm prefer to use N-1 version. So it is already stable version. So I'm choosing this one. So after that, I'm okay with the instance type like a T2. So here we have key pair. So I'm connecting with my previous video. I have created how do we create key pairs. I have already done a video. So in left side, you can find that video. So I'm taking this key pair. So after that, I have already created one existing security group. So I am taking that one. So after that, I'm okay with it. I'm given the name Jenkins, kpairs, then launch the instance. Yeah, our instance is done. So wait 30 to 40 seconds. That instance will be in running state here. Yeah, I'm taking by public IP address. I'm connecting on terminal. In Mobaxterm, I generally use. Here I'm taking sessions. So I will go with SSH. I'm giving the pipe IP address here. After that, the default name is EC2 user. So after that, we have created one security key. So here I wanted to give that name here. Then I will select OK. Here our instance is done. In Linux mission will appear here. So here one update is there. So I will update that particular thing. Yum install update. It is asking total download size 345K. So I'm accepting. Yes. Okay, you can download it. Yeah. After that, this is the EC2 instance. If any command will be executed only on admin level. Admin level means root user. So here I will go to root user. Sudo -i. Then I'm going to the root user. This is the admin. This is the user. So user have some limitation. So that's why I prefer use admin level. So root user. So here I need to execute one script. So in description, I will give that link. You can go and use that link. So here I'm taking this. So first of all, I want to write script. So vim VAM means editor. In previous video, I have explained this editors like how to copy, how to move, how to replace one folder to other folder. I have done in previous video. Please check on this right corner. I will give the link. So here I'm giving the name as anything abc.sh. So the editor will be appear here. So after that, here I am inserting that content. So here I'm copying. Yeah. Here I have given 4 steps. So generally, Jenkins is a service. Whenever we will install one service, after that we start the service. Then the service will be works. If we cannot start the service will be stop state. So that's why I'm giving here system ctl start jenkins.services. After that, I want the status of the service. So here I'm giving that one. So first I want to install yum install git 1.8.0 OpenJDK Maven. So why I'm installing this one here? So we are using Jenkins. So in Jenkins, what we'll do? We will do CI/CD pipeline. In CI, what we'll do in previous here, continuous build, continuous test. So this why I'm installing Maven here. So Maven will do continuous build, continuous test. So that's why we'll installing Maven here. After that, I wanted to give Jenkins. Jenkins URL. After that, packages case. After that, I want to give 11. In previous, I have explained Jenkins works are required Java 11 version only. So with the Java 11, we will connect to the Jenkins server. So after that, I am giving yum install Jenkins -y. After that, I am updating alternates. So here I am executing the script. So abc.sh. So then the script will be executed here. It will take 1-2 minutes. Then the entire script will be done. In meanwhile, Jenkins port number is 8080, 8080. So this is the fixed one. Jenkins use only 8080 port only. So in previous creation of instance, like EC2 instance, we allow all traffic. So in all traffic, we have 0 to 65,000. So here the Linux machine asking, we have two Java. So I am already installed Java 1.8. After that, I wanted to install Java 11. So here I am selecting number 2. Then the Java 11 OpenJDK will be executed here or installed here. See, after that we will connect to the Jenkins port number, and we will create CI/CD pipeline. In that we have lots of things. We will do that after that installation is done. Yeah, we done the Jenkins setup here. So I wanted to connect to the Jenkins port number. So I'm giving public IP address here. So after that, I wanted to give 8080 port. Then the Jenkins will be connected here. So in Jenkins, we need to give one admin password. Like this is the secret password. While in installation, we will find that one here. We use only one time here. After that, we cannot use this password. So we can use this key, or I can run the script as var.libraries.jenkins.secret install admin password. Then we will find that secret key here. So in this case, I am taking this key. So after that, I am pasting here. So after that, I am connecting here. Continue. Once again. Yeah. After that, we need to install some plugins. So I'm going to this one, then the plugins will be installed here. So we have lots of plugins, pipelines, Git, email extension, SSH, GitHub, and build time. So this will be executed here. After that, we need to give like a username, password. While creating any account like Instagram account or any Facebook account, we can give our username credentials like a username, password. Same thing, we will do that here. So after that, in this video, I'm explaining parameters and variable. So here I'm giving the name as, like I'm giving admin, and name as I'm giving admin only. So admin at gmail.com I'm giving here. So after that, save, finish. Then the Jenkins setup will be done. So here we come to Jenkins homepage. So here lot of things are there. So new items, people, build history, manage Jenkins, my views. So here I'm selecting create new job. So in this job, I'm taking name as A. I'm selecting name as A. I'm giving the name as pipeline. So after I'm selecting freestyle. So here I'm selecting OK. Here we have lot of things in. So first of all, I'm giving, I will connect source. My source is GitHub. So I'm giving the URL here. So in this is the public one. So everyone can access it. In private, we need to give some credentials here. So after that, in that repository is master. So I'm going to OK. So after that, I want to give build steps. So I want to build that particular thing. So here, execute Windows batch command. So I'm giving here. So after that, I wanted to give command here. So what is the command? In previous video, I have explained Maven. Enter the video. So you can check that one. So here I'm giving mvn clean package. After that, I'm selecting save. Then I'm running the pipeline here. So see, our pipeline will be triggered. So here we have some error in where library Jenkins. So I'm going to my pipeline configure. So here I want to, Here I'm giving the command to mvn compile. I will give. We will check. So here we have one error. So in real times, we have lots of errors. So we will troubleshoot them. So I will go here, my pipeline. I will configure. So see here, the artifact will be downloaded here. So this is the small errors. In real time, we need to find lots of things. The pipeline will be successful. Yeah, see, our pipeline will be run. So here I am explaining we have lots of things in Jenkins to learn. So here I'm giving parameters. So why we need parameters? So in real-time scenarios, we have lots of things. In this, we have so depending on the project or depending on the client. So we have one dev. After that, we have QA. After that, we have UAT. After that, we have prod. So these are the things we will work in real time. So here production is nothing but live. So these are the tests. So whenever developer checking the code into dev, first of all, we will test the entire the dev. After that, we will merge into QA. After that, we will test the QA. After that, we will test merge to U18. So these are the environments. Depending on the project, we have environments. In general, in real time, maximum we use dev, QA, U18, and production. So in this we have environment. So that's why I'm using here parameters. So in parameters, I'm choosing choice parameters. So here I wanted to give environment, env. After that, I'm choosing what is the environment. So I'm taking dev, QA, UAT, and prod. So in general example, I'm taking this. So after that, I'm saving. I'm going to build here. So I will see parameters here. So I will click. So then what is the environment and what is the environment asking here. So I'm drop and drop, I'm selecting here. So I'm run the pipeline dev. So I have triggered here. Then the pipeline will be executed here. Yeah, we done the pipeline here. So in parameters, we have lots of things. We have Boolean parameters. Boolean is nothing but true or false. After that, we have credentials parameters. So in that, we need to give credentials. So file parameters, multi-line, password. I'm taking string parameter. So in string, I'm giving like developer, like I'm giving name. So here value I'm giving I am choosing multi-string. Then you can easily understand. So here I'm taking multi-line string. So here I'm giving the name. So here I'm giving the name as like admin and developer one and developer two. So I'm taking this. So I'm saving the pipeline. I will run it build. So here multi-strings. So here I'm we'll see the entire the names here. I'm given the this thing. So I will go configure one more time. So here I'm taking so here I'm taking developer. So admin, developer one and developer two. So I'm selecting save. After that I'm come build pipeline here. So here I'm seeing environment in I'm running QA. After that I'm giving developer one. The developer one will run this pipeline. So I will easily identify. So build, we will check the what is the console output here. So here we will find one warfare. So this will be used in a release like a deployment time. So we'll use this file. So in next video, I will explain how to we will deploy into Docker container or Kubernetes, Docker container. We will deploy this pipeline. So in this video, I am done these things. So in next video, I will explain CD part, and we have lots of things in pipelines. Like we will do shell scripting here, and we have lots of things like pipelines. We have here, for example, I am taking. So I'm going to dashboards. So here we will see lots of things is there. So manage Jenkins. So in next video we'll see. So how can we add nodes? So Jenkins we will use automation purpose only. So in automation, one is master node is there. After that, we created one slave nodes or worker nodes. Then we will run the entire things, like we will create entire the infrastructure. We have plugins here. So in plugins, we will download here in available. So if we have anything, so here we will download the plugins. So in next video, I will explain how to deploy continuous deployment. So I will explain in next video. Hope you guys like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you everyone.